Hindi ka ba nalilito sa kadami-daming mga haka-haka at opinyon sa social media ukol sa iba't ibang issue? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkape't pandasal. Social media shouts at you. Friends pull you in various directions, and family shares their expectations. It's easy to get lost in all that noise. Jesus said, "My sheep listen to my voice," reminding us to discern the truth amid the chaos. It's about tuning out external pressures and tuning into yourself where God speaks. What truly resonates with you? What values feel genuine? Developing the ability to hear His inner voice, your true north, takes practice. It involves recognizing and trusting your intuition, as well as seeking out those authentic voices that provide support and guidance. So take a moment to quiet the noise around you. Manalangin po tayo. O Panginoon, tulungan mo kaming pagnilayan ang mas mahalaga sa aming buhay at alagaan ang aming kalooban. Turuan mo kaming piliin ang mga taong tutulong sa aming maging mabuti at manghihikayat na palakasin ang pagkakapatiran sa bawat isa sa amin. Amen.